Today in UFO history, HMAS Hobart, enemy helicopters in Vietnam. June 15th through 17th, 1968. DMZ, Vietnam. Night. Allied forward spotters along the eastern part of the demilitarized zone in Vietnam see about 30 strange slow-moving lights. At the time they are interpreted as North Vietnamese Russian-built M14 Hound helicopters, ferrying men and material over the border. The lights appear the following evening, and several U.S. 7th Air Force Phantom fighter bombers soon arrive on the scene and fire on the intruders, supported by anti-aircraft ground fire. During the Allied attack, the presumed helicopters moved down the east coast and out to sea. The destroyers HMAS Hobart, USS Edson, and USS Theodore E. Chandler are ordered to undertake surveillance missions around
Cồn Cỏ,
Tiger Island, along the north-central coast. Around 3:14 a.m. on June 17th, the ships are involved in a friendly fire incident, in which the Hobart is hit by 3 missiles from one of the Phantoms, causing major damage and killing 2 of the crew. The following are clips of a radio transmission recording taken aboard the USCG Campbell just after the swift boat PFC-19 was sunk by an air attack.
Bravo, have you got comm with Victor 1? Bravo, this is Victor 1, over. Roger, are you heading out towards Marla? At the affirmative, we're heading his way. This is Bravo, Roger, how many more birds you hold? They're hovering without lights all over the water, over. This is Bravo, Roger, I've got 2 way up high and you have 2 close in, right? Roger. Roger out. This is Victor 1. There might be some aircraft firing on the beach, but there's some aircraft firing at us also.
The main text, research, and images for this video come from the Twitter account of Jeff Knox, and they are used with his permission. Please be sure to check out his tweets. Thank you for watching. I'm Telesma Blooorb.